Okay, first I'm going to switch off the power to the unit, and then wait for it to switch off. And then I'm going to dismantle it. Using the supplied plastic chip tool, we put it over to then, holding the plastic against the two input tubes, we take them out. Okay. We remove the plastic bracket, then simply use this and take out the filter, which is sort of brown. Alright, make sure you get a focus of this thing, and we put this over the sink. Okay. If you take a look inside the unfiltered water, it's also very nasty. Right? So we don't want this water, we dump it into the sink. And then we clean it with some clean water. And we wipe the edges with some kitchen towel. Okay, even the tissue is still a bit brownish, right? We get the new filter from the box, which is white, and we compare the old filter and the new filter. Okay. Right. We remove black thing from the old filter. And we attach it to the new filter. It just clicks in, and then you just put it over. Make sure it aligns right, press it in, and then plug in the two in bracket. Input plugs. And then you put this electronic ring with the eSpring. Put the tool into the slot, cover it up, turn it on. Full health. Mission accomplished.